Hi, this is Freddie over at Platinum Auto World, and today we're going to be looking at this 2004 Dodge Ram 2500 5.9 Cummins diesel. It's got 211 on the miles with an automatic transmission. This truck has a lot of work done to it. It's got compound turbos, methanol injection. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick walk around. We have a 5-inch exhaust, Mickey Thompson wheels, 315 70 17s, Coopers, Discovers, AT3s, XLTs. The truck has no rust on it. Show a little bit of the frame right here. You got the fast fuel system. You got the methanol tank right there. Five-inch exhaust. This thing rolls cold like crazy. We're gonna go ahead and fire her up and open up the engine so you guys can see it. I mean, pop up the hood. Get in here, hit the gas. All right. There it is. We got the turbos right here. You got a bigger pulley over there. I mean, this thing is built. It's built with the gills. Interior's in good shape. It's your driver's seat. Goes up and down. The dash is still in one piece. Anyhow, I hope this gives you a better idea of what this truck looks like in person. This truck is available now at driveplatinum.com. If you have Facebook or Instagram, please feel free to follow us. Give us a call with any questions you may have at 540-898-8300. Thank you.